Hello, this is Zeynep Bilgehan Demir, currently a Comenius assistant in Austria. The article that I read is titled When Cloud Computing Meets with Semantic Web, a New Design for E-Portfolio Systems in the Social Media Era by Paul Kim, Chen-Ki Ng, and Gloria Lim. It's published in British Journal of Educational Technology. This article identifies the challenges and issues of current e-portfolio systems. It introduces a new design approach and mentions the implications and benefits of such a design. The first thing that I learned was the PrPl system, which stands for Private Public. This new system, funded by National Science Foundation and led by researchers at Stanford University, offers a potential solution to the challenges to e-portfolio implementation. Current system requires the user to explicitly upload data to different websites, so the data is scattered across diverse devices and websites, which makes it more and more difficult to keep track of one's own data. However, the PrPl offers a user-centric design approach which aims to create a joint storage system which would have existing web services and applications. The two key concepts of the PrPl are the semantic index and the personal cloud butler. These concepts, making up the PrPl system infrastructure, enable users to keep track of all the data and manage his or her personal cloud information, and also enables educators to design a much more scalable and intelligent e-portfolio system. So we can see this in the photo, which compares current e-portfolio system with the proposed PrPl platform. And it's very clear how much more organized it is in the PrPl platform. So we can say that the PrPl allows the users to access the services in which they have stored their data in a centralized way. So let's say you have your photos stored in Flickr or your videos stored in YouTube, but you can access them all on one page. That's cool. So the second thing that I learned is the attributes of a successful e-portfolio and how a PrPl-based e-portfolio system can be aligned with these attributes. The first attribute is the ease of use. So it should be attractive, the e-portfolio, but simple. And the PrPl does provide users with a unified view of personal data cloud and no duplication of data required. Second attribute is the sustainability. It's not an issue for PrPl because the data of the users remain in their personal services cloud. Third are the advanced features, which are needed to attract users, and the flexible, dynamic, and integrative design of PrPl allows it to be so. And some other features are robust integrated technology architecture, lifelong support, and standards and transportability, which are all not a problem for the PrPl system. The third thing that I learned is its benefits. And e-portfolio systems lead to better understanding because they visual map the knowledge. They show a meaningful connection, organization, and presentation of the data. So, the PrPl facilitates much easier search and retrieval of data and artifacts, which means the user can choose what to keep private but to open to public. And so, for example, if employers are searching for people with a certain criterion, they can use the semantic index and get a list of candidates matching their criteria. Last, to mention what I read can be applied to the design or implementation of educational environments or tools. Well, the benefits of using e-portfolios are very apparent, and living in a world where technology has become as important as breathing, using such media in educational environments is no longer a question of whether to do so. The use of such an e-portfolio system will help the learners see their progress throughout their education and also give them the opportunity to look back on anything they wish at any time. The fact that it doesn't require duplication of information and its integrative feature shows how it actually is time-saving, and these make it more attractive. Another attractive aspect of the platform is to be able to use it as a lifelong support, which the users can benefit in their ongoing learning process even after school. And what's more, they can even use it to find a job.